Okay, here as you see, it's Pegasus is the barge that brings the tank from Louisiana, from New Orleans, Louisiana, at the Michoud assembly plant. Pretty much one of the retrieval ships will bring it all the way out to the port, and then we use a couple of contract tugs to bring it through the rivers and the channels and get it here to the VAB at the turn basin at the vehicle assembly building, where we will offload it. So that you're seeing there is a couple of the contract tugs, river tugs that we use to actually be able to maneuver the barge through the rivers.
And that barge its only purpose is to bring external fuel tanks. That's what it does.
Yes, that's what it is. And now here what you see is them docking it and tying it down to our offloading dock. Takes about an hour for the guys to get the tank ready to roll, and it's a very quick process. It takes about maybe less than half an hour to actually roll into the vehicle assembly building, into the transfer aisle. We use security to stop the road just momentarily so we can cross the main road, and in it goes. Just pull it along with the prime mover, which is that tug that's pulling it up front.
At 15 stories, it does provide an adequate roadblock for crossing the street.
And inherently enough, there's always a tour bus around this, so folks get a really good view of the tank as it's coming through from the visitor center.
And now this is in the vehicle assembly building, and this is
Yeah, the tank right here has already been lifted in the checkout cell. And what we'll do is it comes in the horizontal, and we'll use our crane operators to bring it up, turn it over to vertical, and then we lift it up and over. The vehicle assembly building is 500 feet tall, and we actually lift it all the way to the top to get it into that high cell, into that high bay. Lower in the checkout cell here, we spent about 15 days in the checkout cell, making sure receiving inspections and doing a few of the closeouts, and then we'll bring it over to the integration cell, which is what you're seeing now, and it'll we pretty much lower it just in between the two boosters and mate that to the boosters.
Well, that checkout procedure is actually going on right now.